everyone, it's Magda from Foyr, and today we'll talk about texture management. I will show you how to edit and upload textures, how to use multiple textures, and also how to use invisible texture. First, we will switch into 3D mode, as the textures are only available in 3D mode. We will start with applying and editing the textures from our catalog. So you go to Texture Catalog, you select the category, and now you simply drag and drop it onto the wall. Now, if you don't like this texture and you want to change density of this texture, you will notice that this menu will open on your right hand side. And here we have number of tiles, X and Y. If we have a texture that goes vertically as well as horizontally, then we will play with X and with Y. So now we will try to increase this number, and we can see how the density of the texture is changing. You can play with the number of tiles up to a point that you're satisfied with how your texture looks. We also have a texture size. You can click on it, and now if you know a size of a single tile, you can type it here. You can also upload your own textures. So if there are any specific textures that you want to use in your project, you can go to Texture, Upload Texture. It has to be in PNG or JPEG file format and should not exceed 5 megabytes. You click on Upload Now, you can choose a texture from your files, and we click on Open. Now you can choose texture name and category, and click on Upload. Now your uploaded textures will be in your uploaded category. If you want to copy texture into different surfaces, for example, we want to have this color on all our walls, you can go into the Copy Texture tool in the left top corner of your screen, click on that tool, select Texture and Material, click on the texture that you want to copy, and now you just simply click on another surface. If you want to use multiple textures on a single wall, on the floor, or on the ceiling, you can use Create New Product to do that. For example, we can create separate flooring for our kitchen area. For that, we will click on Create New Product, we'll go to the Rectangle tool, and we can draw rectangle on the floor. And now we can apply different texture into this area. You can create multiple textures in every space of your project. Again, you can edit texture by either using texture size or number of tiles. Now I will introduce you to invisible texture. If you go to Texture Catalog and in the search engine type in invisible material, you can use this material to hide some of the elements of a product. We have this bed here, and there are pillows on the bed. We don't want to use these pillows, we want to choose our own. So you use the invisible material, now you can apply your own pillows. You will still see the outline of that hidden product, but on your renders that won't be visible. As you can see, it's not visible on the render. You can use invisible material on many different products. For example, if you want to hide the hardware, or you don't like the faucet, you can use it in many different ways. Hope that was helpful. Happy designing!